Hello everyone, thanks for coming and checking out my channel. I'm Dave, and today I'm going to be giving an unboxing and review of a propane torch. This is the kind of torch that's designed for clearing out your yard, basically. If you have weeds in the rocks, or perhaps you want to clear an area where you're going to be putting a shed, you want to kill out all the vegetation, a yard torch is the way to go. And today I'm going to be giving an unboxing and honest review of this. This was actually sent to me by Seesii Corporation, free of charge, and they did that because they wanted me to give it a full test and review for everybody out there who'd be interested in getting it as well. If you do want to buy it, make sure you check out the links in the comments below. I've got a link to where you can purchase it right on Amazon. All right, let's take a look. All right, that's everything right here. Okay, well, we've got a pair of kind of rubberized gloves to keep your hands protected during the process. Looks like we've got the propane torch owner's manual. I'll take a look at that in a few minutes. Solid feeling hose. It's got one end with the by hand connector so you can spin it into the propane tank. The other side, regular brass nut. Comes with a couple of wrenches to be able to tighten that up. Looks like we have an igniter. We also have an igniter already on it. I'm wondering if that is an extra or maybe mistakenly sent, but well, we got two igniters here in this box. Torch is very heavy, really solid end, and brass connections. Feels like it's got a good trigger. I guess I'll find all that out when I connect it to the propane tank and test it for sure, but right now coming out of the box, everything feels good. So, all right, well, I'm going to now go outside and test this thing. So it's April here in Minnesota. There's not a ton of weeds for me to burn to test this torch out for you today, but we got snow, so I'll probably try to melt some of it off the driveway just to see how the torch feels, how it reacts to the propane, the connections, and all that stuff. I would do all the connections right here on camera just to make sure you can get the authentic feel of how the unboxing and setting up goes. Looks like it's going to be pretty easy. We got the hose and the torch. I did get some soapy water to check the connections after we put it on. And of course I got my propane tank here. So step one is going to connect it straight to the hose to the torch. We don't need to put any tape on or anything like that. Just because it's a gas fitting, you don't need those. Brass is good. It's a left-hand thread, so you're going to go counterclockwise to tighten it up. And again, they provided us with the wrenches. One holds while the other tightens. All right. That's good. The other end for the tank actually has that hand turn knob. Worry about a wrench on this side. And yep, this one's left-handed thread as well. Okay, feels pretty solid. Turn on the propane. Check the connections. Looking good there, and looking good there. All right, well, let's fire it up. Okay, no fire yet. Have the tank off. I want to make sure the yeah, it looks like a pretty solid spark was going on in there when I was hitting the igniter button. Huh. I don't know why that wouldn't be going. Try that again. There we go. Maybe it's the first time you light it, it needs to get a little bit of you know, burn off residue and such. Ooh, it's giving off plenty of heat. All right, so let's check it out. You can see it shoots the flame pretty far. Sorry about the microphone cutting out here. I figured I'd just voice over this last part. As you can see, the heat is really getting pushed out of this torch, really taking care of that snow super fast. Obviously, I wouldn't be melting snow like this off a driveway normally, but even if this was probably thick ice, I'm pretty sure this torch would make short work of it. Okay, so my overall opinion and review on this Seesii brand yard torch is very good. It had a lot of power, 500,000 BTUs blowing out the end of it. It obviously melted the snow quite easily here in my driveway this year. I can't wait till spring comes around so I can check it on some of the weeds. All the stuff you needed to get using it right away was in the box, all set to go. There was that little issue with the igniter not starting right away, but I have to attribute that to it being brand new and having not been used yet. After a couple of attempts it worked, seems to be working fine now. So if you like this yard torch and you want to buy one, again, check down in the description below. I've got a link to Amazon so you can check that one out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that button. And if I get enough response on this and you want to see it in the spring, later summer, where it's burning up actual weeds, I'll probably do that for you as well. So please comment down below if you have any questions or you'd like to see that video. Thanks again for watching, everybody.